Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we are restoring this old finish on this nightstand that I found just across the border in Washington. It's mountain oak, which is pretty cool because it's apparently endemic to California, which is cool because I just did a road trip down there last summer and it is in pretty good shape. It's just the finish that needed some love. So restoring the finish here, we're going to try to get a similar color. You can see it was scratched up and there were these like weird sprays on it, which I find happens on older furniture, I guess where it was manufactured, but it had a few chips in the finish, and really the idea here is we want to bring this back to life. And the best way to do that is we are going to first remove the old finish, and then I'm going to apply a new finish, and let's get started. After a quick cleaning, it's time to get scraping. I started scraping with this new scraper I was testing out, but it just didn't seem as sharp as my Baco scraper, so it was pretty quick. I went back to the Baco. You can see how it just peels it off nice and easy. I noticed the bottom drawer was a little bit wobbly and didn't slide nicely, and then I noticed the little plastic piece was missing, and I remember vacuuming up something hard, so good thing I didn't throw out this garbage earlier because it was in the dust pile from my vacuum, and then I added some glue, and I put the plastic piece back on, and then I just smacked it with a wrench, and it was good to go. I straightened it up, and the drawer started sliding fine.
It slides like new.
Now let's scrape and sand the drawers. Finally, everything is all sanded and ready for some stain, but first we need to clean everything up with a tack cloth, so I'm just going to give everything a quick wipe. When applying this gel stain, I don't let it sit very long. Basically, right when I'm done wiping it on, I wipe it off. I do one side at a time. Then I waited till the next day to do the poly. I always clean the tack cloth first, and then I get started with a sponge foam applicator pad. I find it's an easy and simple way to apply it and get a super smooth finish. I always do this end-to-end final pass through, and it gives it the smoothest finish. I did 3 coats of poly, but I'm not just going to show you the same process over and over. Just do the same thing, and you're good to go. So I throw these feet back on right quick. Throw the drawers back in. And here it is one more time before, just to show you the old finish that was peeling off and the dirt and grime and the weird spray that was on it before we did the full refinishing. And finally, here is the after. I think it looks a lot nicer. It's cleaned up, the finish isn't peeling off anymore, and it just looks fresh. And of course, it passes the smooth test. I hope you guys enjoyed this refinishing project. I had a lot of fun doing it. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my other videos. If you want to support me, make sure you sign up for my email newsletter. I'll send you any exclusive deals and discounts I can find. And also, I'll keep you up to date on my new videos. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.